Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Call of Duty. If you want to get this game on your mobile device, then this video might be helpful, so let's get started. First, launch Open Play Store on your mobile device. Now tap on the search bar and then type in Call of Duty. Now tap on the search icon. To install Call of Duty, tap on the install button which is right beside it. It might take a little while to download this game. And this is how you can install Call of Duty. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on future videos.